Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the start of a brand new week here at Perry Elementary. Today is Monday, November 4th of 2019, and here are our morning announcements. For our birthdays to announce, so I wanted to tell happy birthday to Dylan Potter, who had a birthday on November 1st, and also happy birthday to Tyshawn Robinson. His birthday was yesterday, so hopefully both of you guys had a great birthday. And our pause expectations are going to be brought to you by our 4th grade students today.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and today we decided to talk about things in music class that you should follow for your expectations.
Make sure to sing when you're supposed to. Use your recorder correctly. Use equipment properly.
That is correct. It's all very good things. Thank you, guys.
And I had them highlight music because Mrs. Solomon will be outgoing and actually is out right now on her maternity leave. So I'm sure we'll see her baby pictures very soon this week. So Mrs. Massman will be the music teacher for the next couple of weeks. So on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Our lunch choices will be popcorn chicken, barbecue rib sandwich, and also sun butter and jelly. And before we get to our moment of silence, I wanted to remind all the boys and girls, make sure you dress appropriately for school. So if you have a warmer coat or if you can wear a couple hoodies, that would be a great thing. I know the weather is getting cold, and I know some of you might have outgrown your winter coats from last year, but it's really important to make sure that you come dressed appropriately for school, ready to go outside for recess. The only time that we would stay inside for recess is if it is cold, like 10 degrees with the wind chill or lower, or there's a weather advisory, or if there's any kind of heavy precipitation such as rain or snow that can cause icy or dangerous conditions on the playground. Otherwise, plan to be outside at all times. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And everyone have a wonderful day today. I'm sure your teachers are going to be reminding you throughout this week also. As parent-teacher conferences start this week on Thursday. So the next 2 Thursdays are conferences. So I'm sure that you'll get plenty of reminders about that too. Everybody have a great day today.